Hi guys, Nikko is here. As you can see, my Saab is finally back to my garage. The good news is that the body shop managed to put the frame, the side beams on a place, and probably not ideal, but not bad. The bad news is that this took more money and more time than I expected, but it is what it is. So you can see the front part now looks better, more or less straight. And here how it looked before, and here how it looks now. I removed the front crash bar because I'm going to replace it with the OEM but used crash bar from a good car. Here I can finally lock the hood or a bonnet if you live in the United Kingdom. This gap is not bad. This gap still has some improvements to do, but when I hope that when I replace the hinges, I already bought them, it will be okay. So the good news here, you can see the gap is almost ideal. So this means that the front part of the car is on its place, and the measurements shows that it's more or less 1 millimeter, 1.5 millimeters. It's on the place. So now I can start to assemble everything. I'm going to install a brand new radiator and install everything on the front back. So this video is about this. So enough talking, let's do this. I had a hole here, and this part was broken, this eye, and this hook was broken too. I didn't want to replace the hole, this part, because of this small damage, so I closed the hole with liquid plastic and recreated these parts with the liquid plastic too. This one is already painted. This is how it looks before the painting. So let's see, will it fit to the place or not. Okay, here the front part is assembled. I replaced the crash bar, I replaced the radiator, I repaired everything else. Oh, in general it looks much better than it was. It's probably not ideal, but it is still work in progress. Actually, this project going very slow. This work took me like 3.5 weeks because I had to do some other stuff and some new things which I probably tell you later about, but I'm glad that this new crash bar was easy to put on place. I was afraid that it was like playing with the bolts and drilling additional something, some holes, but it looks very nice. It looks on place. So what I'm doing next, I need to work on this part, on the hood. I need to replace the hinges for the hood. I already have them here. I will replace them, then I put the hood in place, and we'll see how it's a little bended here, and I will see how bad it is, and I will have a reference to improve it, to repair it. And I'm going to remove this fender, and I already started working on this part a little, but to get here I need to remove it, and then I will straighten it, and I will put some body filler here also after this, and we'll prepare it for painting. So guys, that's all for today. I'm sorry these videos come out not so often as I wanted, but I have many things to do, and unfortunately this project going slowly, but it's going on. It's much better than it was a couple of months ago. This type of projects, it takes time, it takes money, it takes forces, but at least it's going on, and this car becoming better and better with every screw and every bolt and every nut I put on it. So thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe down below, and tell me what you think about this project, what good things I'm doing, what bad things I'm doing, what you would do better than me. Please tell me this in the comments, and thank you very much once again, and see you next time.